Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka KS Foods, lania ka Kimshin Foods, kalawan penina miki live hojat ki jingbam, kibana kari South Korea, ha ka jingplay ka North East Food Show, arhajar arpuar, ha Polo Grounds, kabalalong na dumantakas ni, katasan tarik ujemang, bat kabankot ha ka hinyo tarik ujemang arhajar arpuar. Hakate ka jing yakran bat ka KS Foods, layat ho balaseng ya kani ka shlam pen mi jingbam, kumba khat ars na menshwa, bat ka shlam trekam jong kani ka jaka pen mi jingbam, kadan Hagurgaon, Sector 48. Kadairu ka shlam ka baningkong do banwan ra ikibam kidi na South Korea, Shari India. Na kalyang unong mi khamat ka KS Foods, ula ongru ba ka jingtmu banwan ra ikini ki jat jingbam, na kaway kari, kalong banmat, bat banwat banya syapang kiway ki culture, bat ban plilat plilenti kiway bat ki jat benriu, na kiway bat kiri, bakin yo amat ikibam kari India ru kumju.
This is very good opportunity to meet Northeast people in any FS Meghalaya Shillong. I'm really happy, and it will be very helpful to us to find out market.
Your name, sir?
My name is Shin.
So what the market scale here in Northeast?
This is a first step to come to Meghalaya. So I'm expecting Korean noodles, all type of Korean noodles being imported into India market since last 10 years, and then it become more popular, and then it spread to wide market in India. So the next step should be made in India, produced in India. So KS food produced kimchi and tteokbokki and omu, the street food in India.
And we are a taste from Korea already written. You can see on our banner. They are all KS Food products displayed here. We are the first Korean company having our manufacturing unit in India. Okay, based in Bhiwadi, and our head office in Gurgaon, Sector 48. Okay, we are pan-India working throughout India. And this is the food festival show, and today is our stall you are last time seeing. This is our all product range. Just you can show from the camera that this one is our beverages part. You can see this is strawberry, banana, yonchai, soya milk. Okay, and for the kimchi. Okay. Every person knows about this kimchi. This is our famous kimchi, and actually we are the first. As I told you, we are the first Korean company. We are having manufacturing unit in India.
Okay.
So we have developed the taste of Indian culture, and mostly the Northeast people. Okay, they are very profound to know about Korean products and their cultural, which is touching to them.
Okay.
So we have developed this taste according to their culture, their taste, and in that part, all these products we are manufacturing in India and promoting India with our brand. Okay.
Okay.
So this is our manufacturing unit, KS Foods, Kimchi Fine Foods. You can see the godown, cold room, frozen, everything with a highly, what you can say, hygienically, and as per the government regulations and norms, we are following all the guidelines, and this is our manufacturing. Okay. And this is all you can see about the products like kimchi and yonchai, banana milk and strawberry and like this. Now this is our whole frozen section.
Okay.
And this all variety, no company is having this much of varieties right now in India.
Yeah, or
Our main concern is to help the people
okay.
to get their taste, get their
Experience.
touch of their, what you can say. If somebody is coming to our country, he should not think that he has came to a different place, everything different, nothing resembling from them, because food is the only thing that touches a person. Okay, and wherever you go throughout the world, throughout the India, anywhere, the first thing that comes in the mind, how is the food, how is the culture. First the food, that is the language. Okay, so in that contrast, we have developed a theme about all the products, any person who is knowing Korea, who is knowing us. Actually, we are all the Northeast, like to Sikkim, Shillong, to Guwahati, to Imphal, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, everywhere we are active on the Northeast district. We are active all over India. Okay, and also right now online to offline on both. After COVID, we are also active in online business and offline business. And still after COVID, we can say we have taken a new benchmark. Rather than companies are struggling, we have created a new benchmark. Already we are strong in offline, now in online we are strong. So we have just made a new branch of ours in the same business. So although India is a very potential market, people are very good and they know our product. They try this first one tasted in any, just like in this event, many other outsiders are coming. One tasted, they try to search on our website and everything and contact to us, like that is happening. That's why after few years we are, this is our first, what you can stall is in Northeast.
Showcase.
Okay. So it's our customer who have grabbed us here, who have what you can say, who have touched us so deeply that we have to be here in front of you. Okay. So it was, what you can say, throughout this journey, coming here is a big challenge. Means what you can say, we are very happy to be here. Because a lot of people already, we are not expecting that much exposure or that much what you can say publicity, but it is our opening day and more than what you can say 100 plus customers we have. They were already knowing the day first. Okay. I think so. As the festival will going on for 2-3 days, there will be a lot of new relations we will develop, new business that will automatically come when people are happy with you, with your service. Then they already repurchase, revisit you, try to ask you how are you, everything, what new you are coming, what new product you are introducing in the market. So this is all what you can say journey that is what you can say a lot of people are getting attached to KS Food family and we are expanding day by day and this is a great happiness in okay. Rather than making a profitable business or something, when you are helping the people and people get happy with you, satisfied with you, it is one of the biggest feelings. Okay, so that's all. Means with the KS Foods, we are growing day by day and creating a new milestone. So that's what I can say about ours. India is a very potential market, great market, and people are very, what you can say, familiar, cooperative, and they want to taste this Korean product.
Sure.
This company is from last 12 years in India. Okay, so through these 12 years, we are now all India. We are doing this, also exporting also. So what you can say, this through these 12 years, we have expanded too much, and now to the eastern part, mostly people are less aware about the eastern because of the population and everything. But right now, eastern part is one of our biggest client area, or you can say. So India is a very versatile in every aspect, and with this versatility, we are also becoming more and more big. That's all.